Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of mechanical engineering design. If you're interested in how products, machinery, and systems are brought to life, then you're in the right place. Mechanical engineering designers are a critical component in the design and development of various mechanical systems, products, and machinery. They play a crucial role in the manufacturing industry, working with engineers and technicians to bring ideas and concepts to life. Here are the key responsibilities and skills of a mechanical engineering designer. Design creation, using computer-aided design, CAD, software. Mechanical engineering designers create 2D and 3D models of mechanical parts, assemblies, and systems. Technical drawing, they create technical drawings and specifications that provide detailed information about the design, such as dimensions, tolerances, and material specifications. Engineering knowledge, mechanical engineering designers must have a strong understanding of engineering principles, including mechanics, thermodynamics, and materials science, to ensure that their designs are functional, safe, and efficient. Problem solving, they use their technical knowledge to troubleshoot and resolve problems in the design and development process, and make changes as needed. Cost effectiveness, they must consider cost and manufacturing feasibility when developing designs, and work to optimize the design for cost and performance. Collaboration, mechanical engineering designers often work in teams, collaborating with engineers, technicians, and other professionals to ensure that designs meet all requirements and specifications. As a mechanical designer, there are several key topics that you should have a strong understanding of in order to be successful in your role. These include solid mechanics, understanding how materials behave under different loads and stresses, and how to design parts and systems that can withstand these forces. Kinematics and dynamics, knowledge of how mechanical systems move and interact, including how to analyze and design systems that move in specific ways. Materials science, understanding the properties and behavior of different materials, including metals, plastics, and composites, and how to select the appropriate material for a specific application. CAD, computer-aided design, and CAM, computer-aided manufacturing proficiency in using design and manufacturing software, such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, Cascia, ProE, and Inventor, to create and refine detailed design drawings and models. Manufacturing processes, knowledge of various manufacturing techniques, including casting, forging, machining, and injection molding, and how to design parts that can be manufactured efficiently and cost-effectively. GD&T, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, understanding how to use GD&T to create detailed and accurate drawings that specify the required dimensions and tolerances of a part or assembly. Product development, knowledge of the product development process, including design, prototyping, testing, and validation, and how to work effectively with cross-functional teams, such as engineering, marketing, and manufacturing. Technical documentation, ability to create technical documentation, such as detailed drawings, assembly instructions, and user manuals, that accurately and clearly convey the design of a product. Engineering standards, codes, and regulations, understanding the various standards, codes, and regulations that apply to mechanical design, such as ASME and ISO standards, and how to design products that comply with these requirements. Quality control and testing, knowledge of quality control and testing methods, and how to design products that can be tested effectively to ensure they meet the required specifications. In summary, mechanical engineering designers are essential to the manufacturing industry, combining technical knowledge, creativity, and problem-solving skills to bring products and systems to life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.